Hello viewers, I'd like to show something off quickly. So, this will start with a little bit of background. So, the Cisco phones, the enterprise phones, do not directly support auto answer. You have to set a special variable, and you have to have the CHAN SIP driver with the modified code in it. So it doesn't natively support paging without a special variable. So initially I created a little dial plan extension that allows me to page these just by dialing 80, then the extension number. But I wondered if I could actually get these working in the actual X intercom context and the X paging, or the app paging context. So after I pause the video here, I'm going to pull up some of the config. So what I ended up having to do is I copied out the blurb of text from the extend the X intercom context and the extensions additional.conf, and I put it in, technically I put it in X override freepbx.conf because that's loaded up before that's loaded before X additional is, or extensions additional and extensions.custom. So basically anything that I do here overrides extensions additional and extensions custom. And I figured that out. So then I figured out I have to kind of rewrite this entirely here. So what I did, so I just took the X intercom context, and basically this replaces this portion of it, the star80 portion, and basically allows me to set the Cisco auto answer flag to yes, because that's how you get the Cisco phones to answer. Now I also set app paging. So I tried putting this in S setup and it didn't work. So, but then I put it into this underscore page dot, and then I put it here. And yep, it works just fine. I can page and it will auto answer. So to demonstrate that, I'm going to go on the Digium phone over here. Star 807841, and I'm connected. And I don't know if this phone's in the 0121 page group. No, it's not in the 0121 page group, but if I had it in there, it would go off hook and page. So yeah, this kind of solves one of the issues that I had. If you would like some more documentation about it, I can put it on my GitHub. Just let me know, and I can post some of what I did on my GitHub. In addition, I don't think I posted ever the prs.sh script that allows me to reboot these phones via a shell script. So yeah, but anyway, that's all I have for you today. If you have any questions about this, leave them in the comments section down below. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and have a good day.